good afternoon. Welcome from Lille, Brussels at BSMA 2023. Today I'm together with Stephane Bordier from CSL Behring. So, Steph, you are a supply chainer with a lot of experience with different companies. Can you tell us more about yourself and what you are doing today at CSL Behring?
Yes, so indeed I am at CSL Behring for now 3 years almost. My mission at CSL is basically to build an external supply chain. So CSL Behring historically has been built exponentially, but by essentially manufacturing everything itself. And they've come to a time or a point now where basically considering the opportunity to leverage the capabilities of CMO and external manufacturers. So we're building an external supply chain. That's for my mission today at CSL. Previously, I was at Novartis, various roles in operations and supply chain for about 15 years or so. I'm French, as you can probably hear. I've become Swiss, lived and worked in about 10 countries, and always keen for new adventures.
Great. When you talk about external manufacturing, you talk about CMO. Does it also include logistics, distribution? What about packaging? Can you just tell us a little bit more about the challenges that you have and what you are looking for ultimately as a new solution, or what are the goals of creating this new organization? I understand.
Yeah, so my scope is essentially externalization of fill finish. Holistically at CSL, as we're also looking at other parts of outsourcing when it comes to, or partnering when it comes to manufacturing, a little bit in the drug substance side, but essentially the DNA of CSL is fractionation of plasma, blood. So that will stay, our DNA will stay with us. So we're looking more at partnering for areas that are considered as non-core, so to speak. So yes, as well for logistics, analytics, basically all the quality control labs or activities that we're indeed looking at partnering with the market and leveraging the technology that the market has to offer.
And when you talk about, external packaging, do you consider one thing which is very important in supply chain management is postponement? Trying to, pack or finish the product as close as possible to the final customer or final or patient, or end user. Are you considering this type of activity such as postponement?
We've just started as we've now exploring the opportunity to partner with what the industry has to offer. And that's, I think, is one of the key benefits of contract manufacturing by opposition of doing it ourselves, right? If we were to do it ourselves, we would need footprint everywhere in the world, whether regionally or locally. By having partners that can do it for us. So yes, definitely this is coming as part of the agenda.
A few words about BSMA. I think it's your first time here. So we have spent nearly a full day now. You have been on several panels, so probably you can give us some feedback and thoughts about BSMA 2023.
Very interesting. I think it's the type of place where really you can get a chance, or I can get a chance to understand what are the latest trend technology out there on the market that can be offered. And for me, I mean, in my role as a leader at CSL Behring, I'm acutely aware that innovation is not going to come from the four walls of my cubicle or office. It needs to come from the outside, from BSMAs and discussion that we're having here. So it's a great place to understand what innovations we could bring.
Super. Hope to see you next time again at the BSMA. And thanks for all what you have done today. And have a great afternoon. Looking forward to seeing you at the gala dinner tonight.
Thank you.